Apple introduced a new button with the iPhone 16 series earlier this week, dubbed Camera Control. However, unlike the Action button from last year, the new Camera Control wasn't limited to the Pro models and also made its presence in the standard iPhone 16 variants. Apple says the new Camera Control will provide new ways to capture memories and help users learn about objects or places faster than before. Let's take a look at the top 5 things one can do with the Camera Control. Open the Camera app. iPhone 16 series users will be able to quickly open the iOS Camera app by just pressing on the Camera Control button, which should theoretically make it a very fast and seamless experience, given that the new button is placed right where the thumb rests. Take pictures and videos. Taking a picture should be easier than ever before on the iPhone 16 series, given that the Camera Control will allow users to capture a picture by just pressing the camera button. Meanwhile, video recording can be started by pressing down on the button for few seconds. Change camera lenses. Another major benefit of the Camera Control is the ability to easily switch between different lenses on your iPhone intuitively. Users will be able to switch between different apps by lightly double pressing the Camera Control to open a sliding overlay where they can switch between different lenses like the ultra-wide or telephoto shooter by sliding their finger. Adjust the frame and zoom into pictures. Apple will release a software update later in the year to allow users to adjust the focus in their frame by lightly holding the new button, similar to how the functionality works on most cameras. In order to zoom in or out of pictures, users can bring up a slider by just lightly pressing on Camera Control. Other Camera Control features include adjusting the exposure and depth of an image or even choosing photographic styles. Apple Intelligence is coming. Later in the year, Apple will roll out a software update to allow users to experience Apple Intelligence via the Camera app termed Visual Intelligence. After opening the Camera app using new button, users will be able to get more insights about the picture they captured. Apple demonstrated that if a person is going past a restaurant, they can simply capture its picture in order to get its ratings or check out the opening hours and more.
Until next time, techies, stay curious, stay informed, subscribe my channel. Bye for now.